Hey Cowboys fans, we're back with an exclusive video and the latest updates on our beloved Dallas Cowboys. Before we start, make sure to subscribe to our channel and give this video a like. That way, you'll always stay in the loop and never miss any exclusive updates. The Dallas Cowboys face a critical decision in the offseason to bolster their wide receiver depth. With various options on the table, they could either bring in a seasoned NFL veteran via free agency or target an up-and-coming talent through the NFL draft. The potential paths are plentiful, but one thing is certain. The Cowboys have the resources to improve this position significantly. When you have Jerry Jones at the helm, however, it's hard to predict exactly how things will unfold. Jones has a history of making bold moves that defy expectations, which keeps everyone guessing about what he might do next. Will he follow the conventional route, or will he surprise the football world with a more unconventional move? One name that has recently emerged as a strong candidate for the Cowboys is Tetairoa McMillan. The massive wide receiver, who shone brightly for the Arizona Wildcats, fits the Cowboys' needs perfectly. With his physicality and playmaking ability, McMillan would be an ideal complement to the already dynamic CeeDee Lamb in the Dallas offense. McMillan made waves during his pro day on Monday, where he made it clear he should be considered a first-round pick. Standing at 6'4" and weighing 219 pounds, McMillan ran a 4.48-second 40-yard dash in front of 24 NFL teams, a time that is sure to attract attention. His size, speed, and performance make him a prime target for teams in need of a powerful, dynamic receiver. Given McMillan's impressive performance, there's a real risk for the Cowboys that he could rise up the draft boards, potentially moving out of reach by the time their turn comes. If the Cowboys are not selectively aggressive on draft day, they could lose out on this highly sought-after prospect, which would be a missed opportunity to significantly improve their wide receiver core. This past season, McMillan proved his worth by recording 84 catches for 1,319 yards and 8 touchdowns. It was the second consecutive year he surpassed the 1,000-yard mark, solidifying his reputation as one of the top receivers in college football. His consistent production, along with his physical tools, make him one of the most intriguing prospects in the draft. As the 2025 NFL Draft approaches, McMillan will undoubtedly be a player to watch. The draft is set to take place in Green Bay, Wisconsin, with the first round scheduled for Thursday, April 24th. Rounds 2 and 3 will follow on Friday, April 25th, and the final rounds will conclude on Saturday, April 26th. The Cowboys' strategy in the draft could hinge on whether they can secure McMillan or if another team swoops and take him first. But before we continue, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a like. Your support helps us keep bringing you the latest updates on the Dallas Cowboys. Feel free to share your thoughts on the news in the comments as well. In a surprising turn of events, the Dallas Cowboys are reportedly eyeing Brock Purdy, the standout quarterback from the San Francisco 49ers. What seemed like a quiet offseason is now buzzing with speculation that Dallas is ready to make a bold move for the young talent, who became one of the NFL's most intriguing quarterbacks. Purdy's remarkable rise from Mr. Irrelevant in the 2022 NFL Draft to the 49ers starter has turned heads, and now it appears the Cowboys are prepared to make their play. Purdy's 2023 season was nothing short of spectacular, leading the 49ers to a division title and a Super Bowl 58 appearance. He set multiple records, including the franchise's single-season passing yards. His performance in the playoffs and his rapid rise to Pro Bowl status only added to his growing reputation. His ability to thrive under pressure, combined with impressive passing stats, has made him a highly coveted player across the league. However, despite his successful tenure with San Francisco, Purdy's 2024 campaign faced challenges. Injuries to key teammates and Purdy himself derailed the 49ers' playoff aspirations, leaving the team with a disappointing 6-11 record. His injuries, including a shoulder and elbow setback, raise questions about his long-term durability. Nevertheless, Purdy's resilience, including his impressive rushing stats with 5 touchdowns, proves that he's far from a one-season wonder. The Dallas Cowboys, looking to build upon their own postseason aspirations, see Purdy as the missing piece to elevate their quarterback position. While Dak Prescott remains at the helm, Purdy's potential to add a new dimension to the offense has caught the attention of Dallas management. His ability to step up in crucial moments and his skill in both the passing and rushing game offer an exciting new prospect for a team already known for its strong defense and talent-laden roster. Brock Purdy's personality is one of the key factors that makes him such an appealing prospect for the Dallas Cowboys. Known for his poise under pressure, Purdy's calm demeanor on and off the field has earned him the trust of teammates and coaches alike. His unflappable nature, even in high-stakes moments like the playoffs, is something that has made him a standout in the NFL. Unlike many young quarterbacks, Purdy doesn't let the spotlight overwhelm him. Instead, he thrives in it, a trait that could prove invaluable in Dallas's quest for a Super Bowl title. Purdy's leadership style is another reason why the Cowboys are taking a serious look at him. He's not the loudest voice in the locker room, but his actions speak volumes. His work ethic and commitment to improving have earned him respect from veterans and rookies alike. His leadership is quiet but impactful, and in a locker room with seasoned players like Dak Prescott, CeeDee Lamb, and Micah Parsons, Purdy's ability to lead by example would complement the Cowboys' already established veteran presence. What makes Purdy a perfect fit for the Cowboys is his adaptability. He's shown that he can adjust his play style to meet the needs of his team, whether it's through strategic passing or his surprising agility on the ground. With the Cowboys' strong offensive line and playmakers like Tony Pollard and Brandon Cooks, Purdy's versatility could elevate the team's offense to new heights. His dual-threat capability could open up more opportunities for the Cowboys to exploit defenses, making them even more unpredictable and dangerous in critical moments. Purdy's competitive drive is a hallmark of his character and could help propel the Cowboys back to Super Bowl contention. His hunger for success, paired with his ability to remain focused amid adversity, makes him the type of player who can push the team through tough playoff runs. With the Cowboys looking to break through their postseason hurdles and capture another championship, Purdy's mentality and his ability to perform when it matters most could make all the difference in their pursuit of glory. As the offseason unfolds, the speculation surrounding Brock Purdy's future continues to build. The Cowboys' strong interest could lead to a trade that reshapes the quarterback landscape in the NFC. For now, Purdy's future with the 49ers remains uncertain, but one thing is clear. The NFL world is watching closely, and Dallas is positioning itself to make a statement in the coming months. That's it for this update. If you enjoyed the video and want to keep receiving exclusive news about the Dallas Cowboys, please subscribe to our channel and give this video a like. We always look forward to your comments and opinions. See you in the next video.